Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening for wherever you are watching me from. I bring greetings from the beautiful land of Biafra. Alright, thank you for always supporting this channel. I am most grateful. God bless us all. Guys, I have a video here about one of our brother who is calling on Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of Biafra, that he should just give order for things to work out. That Nnamdi Kanu should declare like something like state of emergency, like emergency protest all over the world for 2 days. That he is ready to act or to participate in those protests. He also moved further to say that the world is looking for us, or the world is waiting for us to come and buy some weapon because they want to make money. Yes, he made a very reliable and very important point, so to say, but the only thing is that he just has to give Nnamdi Kanu some time. There is a post I read about him, what he tweeted. He said, he don't come out to speak and he don't act without an evidence. And I believe that Nnamdi Kanu is someone that, like, the wisdom he had, I think he hear from God, because when he want to act or when he want to speak, just take your time, settle down and listen to each word that proceed out of his mouth. The words are so real and so direct. I know that a lot of people, they are already tired. You know, this guy was complaining that people are dying every day. People are in prison in abroad there. They don't take care of them. A lot of this is going on, even where he came from. People are crying, people are dying every day, and he is in overseas working, that he is tired. Nnamdi Kanu should just declare a protest. But I know that God is really working through him. A lot of things is going to take place, because family, people are tired. You know, people are tired, people are stressed up. The country Nigeria is not working. People want to go back home. People want to enjoy security. People want to enjoy good road. People want to enjoy electricity. And we have all these things, and we have all what it takes for us to enjoy these things. Then what is holding us back? If not for greed, for position, if not for selfish leaders that we have, we would have been living a very interesting and a lovely life. But because the leaders are so wicked and they are so selfish, greed all over, they will not allow the common man to rest. So let it not be that I talk too much. I have to unleash the video. So let's watch it. Please do well to drop your opinion in the comment section. What you think about this, our brother.
The leader of indigenous people of Biafra, the commander of ESN, Eastern Security. I want everybody that sees this video should please share it. I want it to get to Nnamdi Kanu, the message I have. Like I said before, you can never be on social media without telling the truth the way you feel. Good morning, every one of you. My message is to Nnamdi Kanu, the indigenous people of Biafra. My message is, can we shake the world? Do we really want freedom? You see, these white people, not be say they know they hear waiting they happen. They know what is happening. They are waiting for us to come and buy ammunition. They are waiting for us to come and buy guns. They know what is happening. Chris, good morning. My question is, this is my idea to Nnamdi Kanu. Do we really want freedom? Let us shake the world. How do we shake the world? All the Igbo people all over the world, we have to protest. We need protection. We need to protest for referendum. Right now, as I'm talking to you, all over the world abroad, some indigenous people of Biafra are locked up inside their cell. They locked down for prison because they don't get paper. They want refugees paper, but they don't agree give them. But they locked them up. As I talk to you now, some people there deportation camp. As I talk to you now, some people get that refugees paper, police fit collect and tear them anytime. Nnamdi Kanu, do you really want to shake the world? All of us, all over, we have to stop work. Some people are dying. Why would they go work? Abi? Can you just give the command that every Igbo man, any place where we dey in the world, 1 or 2 days, let me say 2 days, we should shake the world. Go to their television stations. I don't know if I'm making sense, but this is what the message I have for you, sir. Command, say, make all Igbo people where they all over the world. One day, all of us in command, one day. We go choose one day where all of us go for street. We have to shake the world that people are dying. They pretend like they don't know what is going on. They know. The world know what is going on in Africa. They know. They are lying to themselves. They pretend they don't know. Nnamdi Kanu, talk to the Yoruba agitators. We can all shake the world together, all over the world, whether you did for Arab, Dubai, or anywhere. We need to protest for referendum. Abi, Sebi, they don't kill Ikonso. Me, sometimes I did, they look, say, our governors are foolish, they are stupid. They don't know that one day they will need somebody like Ikonso to defend them. All you do is tell the Fulani police to go and kill, or soldiers to go and kill your own pikin, where they protect you. They don't have choice. Nnamdi Kanu, you are an orphan. I see you as an orphan who is fighting for the masses instead of the masses to fight for you. The masses are fighting against you for telling the truth. Nnamdi Kanu, you are an orphan. Your father and mother died inside this struggle. Every time I listen to you, every morning I listen to you, I have my earphone. I will keep listening. Any day where I don't listen to Nnamdi Kanu, I know they get rest of mind. Why I'm listening to Nnamdi Kanu, I dey cry. I wear at the sweep street. Now street I dey sweep. As I dey sweep the street, now so I go dey cry. Some of you people will tell me, say, do you need water? They not gonna know what I not gonna know the time where water they come out of my eyes. Because you are telling the truth. We see the truth. People can agitate for freedom. The Israel where we did today, they agitate for freedom. From the onset, from Egypt, they agitate for freedom. Nnamdi Kanu, my message still remains the same. Can we shake the world? Let's forget about this COVID-19, waiting. Let us, all of us, shake the world. The Yorubas and Igbo, make we get uniform. All of us, make we get put Biafra. Put Yoruba Republic, Abina Oduduwa Republic. Let us go to their television station. Let them carry this our problem. We need referendum. What is this? Many of us don't dey abroad for 20 years. They never go home. For sake say they don't get paper. For sake say Nigeria no safe. Their mama don't die. Their papa don't die. Nobody gree go home. You won't go do waiting. When you go before you no go come back again. Nnamdi Kanu, my message still remains the same. Can we shake the world? That's my message. Can we just shake the world? We can shake the world. We are one of their manpower. If I don't go work for one day, they feel them. And I believe that many Biafrans all over the world, if they don't go work one day, whether you be doctor, whether you be nurse, all of us all over the UK, Canada, US, in one day, can we shake the world? They are waiting for us to come and buy guns and kill ourselves. Isn't that true? They have guns, they want to sell it. Where are they selling the guns now? If the war is going on all over the world, I'm saying it, let them hear. They want war. Look, make I tell you, Igbo people where they produce guns, they are looking for a place to sell it. All these small fights, where would they fight so? In their eyes, they want us to escalate so that we can buy guns to kill ourselves. Then they will come back. After making their money, they will come down. Nnamdi Kanu, my message still remains the same. Can we shake the world? Let all the Oduduwa and the Biafrans all over the world stop work in 2 days. Yes, in 2 days, all over the world. In same 2 days, every television go carry on, every Facebook go carry on. This is my suggestion. This is my suggestion. Nnamdi Kanu, please share this video. I want it to get to Nnamdi Kanu. I don't have power. And I don't have the voice, but this is my voice here. Nnamdi Kanu, can we shake the world, sir? Let us shake the world. Let them not pretend that they don't know. We all go to the television station. Make we not go for the street, they shout. One person go carry one private TV on the show. No. Let all Biafrans and Oduduwa Republic, make all of us stop work in 1 day, in 2 days, all over the world, whether you dey Canada. Anybody will go work, we deal with the person. Anybody where we see say go work, we deal with that fucking person. We must all buy the uniform. Let us buy Biafran shirts. Let us buy Oduduwa Republic shirts. Let us show the world that we are suffering. You guys can see, people are dying. I wake up this morning and they go work. People, they die for my village for Ebonyi State. And they go work. Oh. Some people there, they never see what thing they go chop today. It's not like that for my family. But there are people who are today, as I talk, they never chop since yesterday. How long are we going to live like this? Nnamdi Kanu, the message still remains the same. Let us shake the world, sir. Let me forget about this COVID-19. Oh. See, you see here for Israel, we know they use masks again. You go hold your masks like this. When you get close to person, you put up. How many of you watch my video on my YouTube? I went inside the market for Israel. You see how many of them they use mask? They full all of them. They follow each other like this for back. Let me see. Maybe I have other things I wrote down here. And let us carry the placard. You see all these things, all the killings were there for Nigeria. Make we print them out. Let us print the videos out where they kill people. Make we print them out, hold them for as a placard. Can we do that? Have you ever seen all those videos? Those of you who don't have data, go and buy data. Begin to have your time. You're going to see what thing they happen. Some no video for Facebook. I have those videos that I cannot even post. Every day they are kidnapping east, north, west. Nnamdi Kanu, give the command. Do meeting with your Yoruba people. Do meeting with them. Make all of us shake the world. Una good morning. Let us shake the world. We are their manpower. Now we they do manpower works abroad. We go stop their work. If you know say you are Oga, let me give this message to everybody. If you know say you are boss, the day wicked like all those Dubai boss, all those of you wait there for Dubai, go hospital, tell them say you know well. That's the way all of us go agitate. You go tell them say you know, make una write letter, tell them say you know well. For those of you who dey like a country where me are there, you feel go hospital, go say you know well. They go give you paper where you go take represent for workplace. 2 days manpower all over the world. And we will shake the world. Thank you. Good morning, all of you. Please share this video. This video is for Nnamdi Kanu. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Thank you. God bless all of you.
Oh my word. That is all about this video. Hope you do enjoy this video. Please, if you know you haven't subscribed to this beautiful channel, what are you then waiting for? Please click on that red subscribe button that says subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more latest updates. See you when I see you. Bye-bye.